Yeah, that's not her spacesuit.
I kind of like the whole
I like it. Yeah.
You know, she came back a whole different person now. Like,
Yeah.
oh, why? Like, it has to mean something. Yeah, everything is. Oh yeah, that's big.
Damn, it was big.
I would have crashed.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Okay.
Oh well.
What?
We'll just see where it goes.
Oh God.
Could go anywhere.
Hera, I'll find them. I promise.
Wow! Look at that.
Even she sees the light. Oh my God. Whoa!
I got goosebumps before seeing it in Rebels. Now, oh, they passed us. they passed our galaxy right now.
Swear to God, man.
The timing of this, man.
Dude.